Hi, hello, welcome to GG Creations. This is Lekha Mohan. Welcome. Good afternoon. Hi, Jagadamba ma'am. Vanakkam. Ramya, hi, welcome. Good afternoon. Subiksha, hi. Happy Valentine's Day, Ra. Hi, Ramya. Satya ma'am, hi. Sumati ma'am, hi. Welcome. Good afternoon. Thanks for joining. Hi, Swarna. Good afternoon, Swarna. So today we have happy announcement of two announcement. So one by one reveal pandren. So we will be all feeling happy after hearing this announcement. Hi Gayatri, welcome. Good afternoon. Saranya, hi. Mamata, hi. Welcome. Oh, thank you, Manjula ma'am. Thank you so much. Good afternoon. So let's some more people can join. We can reveal the announcement also. Nice looking. Thank you, Ramya. Good afternoon. Happy Valentine's Day, Shravanti. Thank you, Asharani ma'am. Sorry, super. Thank you, Jagadamba ma'am. Mageshwari ma'am, hi. Soumya ma'am, hi. Welcome. Vanakkam. Pendant is wow, super bar kuma. Pudu piece upada vandirukku. So we have only 7 pieces, I think so. It's a beautiful piece. Let's our friendship become stronger. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Wish you the same. Hi, Geeta ma'am. Very good afternoon. Meena and Vijay Lakshmi ma'am, welcome. Good afternoon. Thanks for joining. Hi Revati ma'am, welcome. Earrings kuda super. Deenthoda set da madam idi. Full set da veskundanu. Deenthoda earrings deenthoda pendant da. Same set, full set idi. Crystal motto separate cost vastundi. Pendant to gym ki oke cost 2650 padutundi. Hi Kartika, Premalata ma'am, hi. Prabha ma'am, hi. Welcome. Vinita ma'am, hi. Welcome. Hi Sarita. Good afternoon. ఇక్కడ పెండెంట్ బాక్స్ ఉంది చూడండి, ఇక్కడ పెండెంట్స్ ఉంది చూడండి, ఇక్కడ లెమోన్. So start பண்ணிடலாமா? Shall we start with the live? Are you all ready, people? Thank you so much for your heart and diaries. Thank you so much. Love you all. Elizabeth ma'am, good afternoon. Thanks for joining. What happy announcement. 2 announcements are here today. Waiting for viewers to join. Okay. Announcement reveal பண்ணிடலாமா? First announcement reveal பண்ணிடுறேன். So tomorrow is our shop 6th year anniversary tomorrow. So please wait for the celebration tomorrow at sharp 11 o'clock ma'am. நாளைக்கு வந்து live வந்து 11 o'clock start பண்ணிடுவேன். So நாளைக்கு offers for the GJ anniversary. நாளைக்கு reveal பண்றேன் மேடம் அத. நாளைக்கு reveal பண்றேன். Tomorrow sharp 11 o'clock be ready for our live. So beautiful ஆன celebration. You all have to participate in the celebration also. நீங்க எல்லாருமே வந்தாதான் அந்த இடத்துல ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கும். So அந்த celebration ஓட உங்களை நாளைக்கு வந்து collections ஓட meet பண்றேன். Thank you Swarna. So this is the first announcement for today. And the second one, so you all will be happy for this announcement. So இத்தனை நாள் வரைக்கும் GJ Creationsல Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm மட்டும்தான் இருந்துச்சு. So for the first time we are introducing with the credit card and debit card payments also. So நீங்க யாருக்காச்சும் credit card, debit card payments வேணும்னா நீங்க அதுல கூட நீங்க pay பண்ணலாம். We are ready with that payments also. So நீங்க credit card use பண்ணி கூட pay பண்ணலாம். We will be sending the link for you. அந்த லிங்க் கிளிக் பண்ணீங்கன்னா நீங்க வந்து credit card, debit card போட்டு நீங்க payment பண்ணிரலாம். So Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm மட்டும் தேவையில்லை. இதுக்கு மேல நீங்க அந்த பேமெண்ட்ஸ்மே நீங்க ரெடியா இருக்கீங்க GJல. So you can pay through credit card, debit cards also. Our presence will be there always, Lekha dear. Thank you so much ma'am. No COD Saran Tilak, so sorry. You can pay through debit card, credit card pay. Card payments is also allowed in GJ Creations. So this is the happy announcement from GJ Creations. Very good, thank you. Okay Shravanti, welcome. So you can pay through this card payments also. We are ready to take that payments also. Today in the special collections. Today we have lots of collections ma. இன்னைக்கு வந்து இந்த pendant அழகுக்கு அழகு சேர்க்கும் உங்களோட jewels ma'am. In my sister marriage everybody asked about your choker set and jhumkas. Thank you Suji. Thank you so much Suji. So today we are going to see some choker collections and these type of pendants. This is a really great news. Yeah, Lakshmi ma'am, I'm also very great to announce this. So ரொம்ப happy ah irundhuchu நேத்து afternoon even Paytm postpaid is there ma'am. Paytm is also available ma. Jimka collection so me. Yesterday we have shown lots of Jimka Sharva Darshan ma'am. So please go through the page also, okay? So this is the happiest announcement. First announcement வந்து நாளைக்கு 6th year anniversary of JJ Creations. So tomorrow will be a great celebration day for tomorrow. Sharp 11 o'clock ma'am. 11 o'clock all must be ready. நான் இன்னைக்கு ஈவினிங் கூட இன்னொரு உங்களுக்கு ஒரு லைவ் போட்டு சொல்லிடுறேன். ஒரு ரிமைண்டர் கொடுத்துடுறேன். Since I am abroad for me, CC payment really helpful. Thank you Lakshmi ma'am. Thank you so much. N years complete. 6 years complete అవుతుంది మేడం. 7th year start అవుతుంది. Long time to see you. Good noon. Welcome Anand Babu. Hi Sujata ma'am. Welcome. On the second happy announcement, card payment is also allowed in JJ Creations. You can pay through your debit card, credit card payments is also allowed from today. Okay. Who all you need pay card payments, you can pay through card also. So உங்களுக்கு அந்த லிங்க் வேணா அந்த லிங்க் கூட நாங்க அனுப்பிச்சு விட்டுறோம். Or if you are flexible with your Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm is also ready. Okay. You're late. Okay Sujata ma'am. So உங்களுக்காக தான் திருப்பியுமே நான் இந்த அனௌன்ஸ்மெண்ட் ரிவீல் பண்ணியாச்சு. Now I'm going to the collections now. So first I'll start with my set. Happy Valentine's Day Divya Bharati. Thank you dear. Good noon Jyoti ma'am. Welcome from Karnataka. Welcome. So abroad customers who all are here in the live today, they are also very helpful with this payments, I think so. Oh, okay Asharani ma'am. Many more belated happy birthday wishes for you. Okay. So abroad customers also you can log on to our website www.lemoartjewelers.com. So நீங்க அப்படியே நீங்க வந்து வெப்சைட்லயே நீங்க டைரக்டா பார்த்துட்டு நீங்க வந்து வாட்ஸ்அப்ல போட்டா வாட்ஸ்அப்ல நாங்க கார்ட் பேமெண்ட் லிங்க் கொடுத்துடுறோம். Or you can directly order through the website also. Lemort Jewellersலயே நீங்க பார்த்துட்டு Lemortலயே நீங்க வந்து payment to போட்டுறலாம். Yes, I am so happy. Okay Shanti, I am also so happy to reveal this announcement. So ஒரு பெரிய போராட்டத்துக்கு அப்புறம் இந்த payments நாங்க கொண்டு வந்திருக்கோம் மேடம். Business ఇంకా డెవలప్ అవ్వాలని కోరుకుంటాం. Thank you so much Jagadamba ma'am. Thank you akka. Welcome Asha Rani. So always my blessings will be there for you Asha Rani. Okay. Paru, welcome. Good afternoon da. Jewelry is very personal thing. It should tell a story about the person who is wearing it. Jewelry is like the perfect spice. It complements what already there. Beauty is who you are. Jewelry simply describe you. Thank you Kirtana. Thank you so much for your beautiful words. I'll post this in the page also dear. Okay. So beautiful words. Please post this in my WhatsApp also. I will post this in my Facebook page also. Jaya Ramu ma'am, welcome. Good afternoon. Sumalata ma'am, welcome. Good afternoon. So I'll start with this. So this is the first pendant which I'm showing now. It's a beautiful Lakshmi. It's a handmade piece with a beautiful golden balls at the center. இது வந்து உங்களுக்கு centerலயும் hook. You will be getting the center hook also at the back side and two side hook also in the front sides you will be having. If you want, you can customize with any beads also, or you can match with any crystals, or you can match with 2-layer ball chain. Collection is always awesome. Aaj temple jewelry mein long time kuch available hai. Yeah. Thank you Sagarika ma'am. Rachina ma'am, welcome. Nitika, hi. Lots of new customers. Follow my page. You can click on my page link. Page link will be given in the wall. Happy Valentine's Day Tishu. Love you too. So ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கு. This is a beautiful pendant with Lakshmi at two side peacocks and one half semi shaped jimki will be at the bottom with golden balls, and this is the back side view you will be getting. One center hook you will be getting and side hooks also, side partitions also there. And this is with a very beautiful extraordinary jimki ma'am. ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கு. See this jimki. You will be getting with the washer also. Washer mein உங்களுக்கு ரெண்டு வாசர் ஓடவே வந்துரும் back sideல. So this is lovely piece. 2640 rupees for this piece ma'am. 2640. Very lovely piece. Don't miss it. Only எத்தனை piece கா இருக்கு? இதுல வந்து 5 piece. 5. Only 5 pieces available ma. இப்ப 2 piece book ஆயிடுச்சு. இப்ப 5 piece தான் இருக்கு. Only 5 pieces available. Please take a screenshot and come to the WhatsApp number. Color of your shirt is not gold but light color. It's gold color ma. Gold color set only. In the mustard color ku ungalku idu light ah theriyum. I'll show in the back camera. It's a pakka gold polish. Vikshita, this is 2640 da. 2640. இது நான் பேக் கேமரா காமிக்கிறேன். இது அப்படியே கோல்ட் பாலிஷ் தான் இது. Indu Haridas, welcome. Good afternoon. Very nice. Thank you, dear. So see this polish? It's a very beautiful gold polish jewelry, ma. Lakshmi will be awesome. The workmanship will be awesome in this. So this is very beautiful. Akka, and the beads oda vanduchilla oru pendant. Beads work edukku. அது காட்டுங்க அந்த பீஸும் அதுலயே தான் எல்பிலே இருக்கு. ஓகே சரி சரி. So very awesome piece. This is with Lakshmi and this is with Lakshmi with Jimki, ma'am. Beautiful piece. Don't miss it. And this is the back side view you'll be getting. Okay. Super piece and this is the back side view. So I am wearing with the 10 line crystals jewelries. So இதுக்கு வந்து 10 line crystal தான் match பண்ணிருக்கேன். As the saree blouse is black color, I have matched with the black color crystals. Crystal will be 680 for 10 lines, right? So this is for 2640. I'll go with the earrings collection now. Very lovely earrings. Each and every earrings will be awesome, beautiful piece, ma'am. Don't miss it. These all are clip type earrings I am going to show for you. So I have lots of color combinations. Okay. Lekha Akka, very nice collection. Thank you, Kokila ma'am. So this is very awesome, ma'am. Romba alaga irukku. You will be getting colorful beads at the center with a leaf pattern, and you will be getting one tilagam. Meena. No, ma'am. This is not included with the crystal, ma'am. Only for the pendant, I am saying 2640, and crystal will be 680. Day by day, you're looking young, ma'am. Collections are super duper. Thank you, Kavita. Thank you so much. So this is a very beautiful clip type earrings. You can remove the clip at the back side and you can wear it and you can lock the clip. So this is all clip type earrings. This is very beautiful with the multicolor. I'll show all the colors in this, what all colors we have. So this is the earrings part. It's a very lovely collection. Superb collection. அது ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கும் மேடம் அது. Collection நல்லா இருக்கும். Superb இருக்கும். Very beautiful earrings in this. I have lots of colors in this. This is priced only for 740 rupees, ma. 740. Nice collection, nice earrings. Thank you, Anjali. Thank you, dear. So I'll show all the colors, okay? This is baby pink with mint green. I'll show in the back camera. You can take a screenshot, dearies. So this is baby pink with mint green, ma. This is one color. I have yellow color in this. Beautiful yellow. I have sea blue in this. I have orange in this. Beautiful orange color. It's a chocolate color. It's a purple color. This is purple. Lovely purple color in this. I have a dark wine color also in this. It's a beautiful maroon color. It's all a 740 midyaris. 740 rupees da varudha. And this is blue color. It's lovely blue in this. And I have multicolor in this. So these are the colors we have. Totally I have 8 colors, dearies. 8 color mein avlo super barka. Lovely super duper pieces. If you want, you can take a screenshot and come to the WhatsApp number, ma. WhatsApp number ku vandittu neenga order panikla. Do you have next set for this earrings? We have next set, Vikshita. You please WhatsApp what color you need. I'll send the picture for you. Okay. We have also next sets in these colors. So this is the earrings you get. Superb collection. Thank you, Nisha. Hi, Bharati. Thank you, Bharati. So அப்படியே side by side heartins likes கொடுத்தீங்கன்னா இன்னுமே அழகா இருக்கும், colorful-ஆ இருக்கும். So I am showing colorful here. So if live will also will be colorful, it will be awesome. All are very beautiful. Thank you, Indu. So this is the earrings I have worn it. Okay, Vikshita. Thank you. So this is for 740 rupees. And next earrings I am going with. I am wearing a yellow color. It's a beautiful yellow color earrings. Lovely color. Is that a piece? This is for 850 rupees. This is also with the clip type. Idume backside clip irukku. So you can wear with the clip itself, ma'am. So you can remove the hook and you can remove the clip also and you can wear it. So for my saree yellow color, I am wearing the yellow color now. See this color. Wow. Fantastic color combination. This is for 850 rupees, dearies. 850. Srujan, hi. Anjali, hello. Welcome. Kiran, welcome. So this is yellow color. In this also I have 7 colors, dearies. So 7 colors is awesome. This is the earrings color combination you will be getting with this. Beautiful color. I'll show all the colors in the back camera. Okay. Beautiful color. Sari collection superb lovely. Thank you. Unique designs you come up with great. Thank you, Kirtana. So I'll show all the colors in the back camera. Okay. This is yellow color. We have orange. Good afternoon, Esther ma'am. Anna Mary ma'am, welcome. Yeah, these all are AD stones, ma'am. Orange color. I have ruby color in this. I have fantastic black color in this. Elegant blue color. It's a beautiful blue color in this. I have multicolor. This is all colors in one earrings. This is multicolor. 850 rupees. And I have a dazzling white color, ma'am. So these are the color combinations we have in this. Very beautiful colors. Lovely color combinations. These all are 850. Oh, thank you, Purnima. Thank you so much, dear. 850 rupees, dearies. 850. This is with yellow. Yellow is very unique, illa. Romba ayaka irukku. Thank you, Revati. Thank you so much. So this is yellow color. So these all are Victorian polish earrings. You will be getting a dazzling look if you wear this for your tops, for your frocks, lehengas, ellathukkume potukkalam. Please show ruby again. Yeah, I will show the ruby, Sagarika. This is the ruby color. You can take a screenshot and come to the WhatsApp number. WhatsApp number is displayed in the screen and I have also given in the description box also. You can follow that number. This is very beautiful ruby with white color stones in the center. It's all clip type earrings only. Okay, don't miss this. Only for 850. It's all very budget friendly earrings only. Don't miss this earrings collections. Okay. Stone earrings enna irukku? Meena idu kaiyoda ulla kuduthirunga Meena. Idachu adu kuduthirunga. So now I'm coming with big earrings. So if you want for lehengas, it's ellame for wedding season nala. So I'm coming with the big earrings now. We have 4 colors in that. All the 4 colors are awesome in this month. We have blue color, ruby, green and baby pink. 1 pastel color and 3 dark colors I have. So Lemort Jewelry oda link me amchittirukanga. You can follow our website also. Okay. So this is very beautiful with the ruby color. Lovely, ma'am. With the pumpkin beads at the center. You will be getting full of glass stones at the sides with beautiful AD zircon workmanship at the top. See, artmanship will be very lovely, ma'am. Beautiful work and minute workmanship will be in each and every earrings will be there. So see the side part also, you will be getting colorful beads also at the sides. At the top, in the dollar super. Romba ayaga irukku madam, the dollar enakku romba pudichirukku. Ayaga irukku, lovely piece. And the jimki is awesome for the set also. So this is very beautiful in this, ma'am. Lovely color combinations. So this is very beautiful. See the earrings? Wow. It's very glittery also, ma'am. Yeah, I'm wearing this. Unga pendant set price. Ma'am, enoda pendant one wish to grab all. Yeah, Sagarika, welcome. So you can't get this unbeatable prices, ma. You can't get these prices in the market. Okay. So this is the piece, ma. See the piece? Very lovely. Dazzling also. I have 4 different colors, variety of colors. All the colors are very unique in this. It's ruby color. And this is ruby. I'm showing this. This is priced for 2,380, ma. 2,380. This is a lovely, very beautiful ruby color. I'll show the workmanship. Hi, Tanu. Happy Valentine's Day. Welcome. So this is ruby color. See the workmanship here. Very lovely. It's a ruby color. I have green also in this. Yeah, it's a less weight collection only, ma. It's a less weight, very less weight collection. It's not too heavy. Hi, Sampath Lakshmi. Welcome. Bhaunavara. Yeah, I'm showing in back camera only, Mamata. So this is green color. This is ruby. I have fantastic blue color in this. Dark blue. Wow. Lovely blue in this. And a very beautiful subtle baby pink. Pastel color baby pink. All colors are very unique, ma'am. Each and every color will be lovely in this. So all the 4 colors is different. This is priced for 2,380 rupees, dearies. 2,380. 2,380. See the back side view also. You will be getting at the bottom part only. You will be getting the stem. It's a lovely dazzling piece. Don't miss it. Lovely colors. Thank you, Sampath Lakshmi. Good afternoon, Nivedita. Welcome. Thanks for joining. So this is the earrings you get. Okay. Super duper piece, ma. Super ga. Unnaru. Thank you, Sampath Lakshmi. Thank you so much. Super ga unnano. Thank you, da. Me also very good. So bound. Chana boundira. Miss cheyadandi. Ori kavalno takkini book cheskondi. ఏది పెండెంట్ లేదండా அது பெண்டன்ட் தான் மேடம் அது தனியா கொடுக்க அப்போ பெண்டன்ட் ரொம்ப சின்னதாயிடும் உங்களுக்கு அந்த பீட்ஸுக்கு அது நல்லா இருக்காது ஸ்டெட் தனியா எடுத்துக்கோங்க நீங்க அது ஃபுல் செட் எடுத்துக்கோங்க அது நான் தரேன் ஸ்டெட் தனியா இருக்கு தரேன் ஹாய் பிரியதர்ஷினி வெல்கம் ஸ்ரேயா ஹாய் வெல்கம் குட் ஆஃப்டர்நூன் So next I'm going for one more piece. This is also very dazzling. I want the same neck set. Shravanti, if you want the same neck set, you please WhatsApp to the number Shravanti. Come in WhatsApp and you can book your orders. I'll show in a video call also for you. Okay. So next time I'm coming with a very dazzling piece. This is also very unique, ma. So see this piece. It's a very different design, very unique and different model also. Romba ayaga irukku indha piece. Ma'am, bangles bhi show karege na. Ma'am, what type of bangles you need, Sagarika? You please come to my WhatsApp number. I'll send the pics for you, ma. Okay. Today we have kept lots of bangles collection. Please wait. So this is also very beautiful. See the earrings? Wow. Lovely, ma. Each and every piece will be very unique if you wear it. You will be very different if you wear these earrings. See this earrings. Lovely color combinations. I'll put this side. This has to be coming this side. In the side varno orange. I'll wear and show this side earrings. Yeah, now it is correct. So this is the earrings you get. We have 3 different colors in this. I have ruby color, blue color and white color I have in this. All 3 colors are very unique in this earrings. Very beautiful. Very nice collections. Thank you. Seeing for the first time Priya from Kerala. Beautiful collection. Thank you Priya. Thank you so much. Price of the pendants is just 2640 ma. 2640. Hi Varanasi honey. Welcome. Thank you dear. Thanks for joining. So this is a very lovely blue color. I have white color in this, super white, and I have ruby. So 3 colors ma. All 3 colors are very different and unique in this. Hi Bhavya ma'am, welcome. Thank you Varanasi honey. Thanks for joining. See how beautiful it looks. It's all a AD zircon stones ma'am. Don't worry about the quality of the stones. Stones will be very glittery also. Very unique combinations of earrings, ma'am. Fantabulous collections. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. So these all are new in the market, ma'am. You can't see these collections in the market wherever. So next I'm going to show some imported earrings. Imported earrings is also awesome. That is also with the clip at the back side. Okay. So this is all imported ones. It's a very beautiful marble finish and one with the white finish you will be getting. One marble and one white finish. This is also I have in rose gold and silver color. No ma, we don't have any WhatsApp group. I have only Instagram and YouTube and Facebook page. So this piece. It's a clip type earrings with the imported ones. It's all lightweighted jewelries. So very beautiful and this is priced for rupees 1050 rupees ma. 1050. I have 2 color combinations, one in silver and one in rose gold. So both the colors, it's a very beautiful hibiscus flower shape will be coming in this. Nirosha, welcome. Madam, side earrings, stone, show me ma'am. Danu, I don't have side earrings, Danu. Thank you, Vinita ma'am. It's a lovely color. This is rose gold. I have silver also. So 2 colors are lovely. All the 2 polishes will be also very beautiful. And the polish is very guaranteed polish only, ma'am. Don't worry about the polishes, okay? Beautiful earring. No chains, ma'am. No chains for this, Bhavya. One sec. See this piece. Very lovely piece. And the clip will be at the back side of the earrings. The metal will be awesome in this one. It's all brass metal earrings only. 2 polishes will be there in this. Hi Nasrin, welcome. So in the same pattern I have one more design. So this is a rose petal design. So this is also with the clip at the back side. You can see the clip at the back side. This is rose gold and this is silver. Both the polishes will be awesome. This also I'll wear and show. This is priced for rupees 1200 ma. 1200 for this piece. 1200. First one was 1050 and the second one now I am showing is 1200. Now I am wearing the silver color for you. So this is rose gold which I am wearing. Hi Komala ma'am, welcome. Good afternoon. Hi Shubha. Welcome Shubha. So this is the silver color I am wearing now. So this is also very beautiful. This is white color with a marble finish. Full of imported ones. These all are imported ones. This is for 1200. 1200. A silver ball kuduthurunga. Adha correct. It's very beautiful ma'am. Pakka finishing. Finishing will be awesome. From Coorg, Karnataka. Welcome Sarita ma'am. Anjali, thank you so much Anjali. So now I have super. So now I have Bali type collections. These all are half ring collections. The same type. These all also imported ones. This is a ring type. Now I am wearing with the rose gold one. So this is priced for 1130 ma. I have 2 polishes in this. So front side you will be getting with the marble finish. On the back side you will be getting only the plain rose gold in the back side. So I'll wear and show that piece also. Cute. Thank you Surya. Ma'am, any such studs available in golden make? I need it for my mother with a clip at the back. Yeah, I have lots of collections, ma'am. See this piece. This is a very beautiful ring type collection. Lovely. And this is for 1130. 1130 for this piece. These also 2 polishes available. So in this also 2 polishes available. One is rose gold and one is silver color polish I have. I'll show in the back camera both the polishes. Hi Tara ma'am, welcome. Good afternoon. So this is silver color and one is rose gold. So see this 2 polishes will be awesome in this. Rose gold is also beautiful and silver is white polish is also beautiful. Lovely ma. This is also for 1130. 1130. Yeah, this is not silver means silver polish Kavya. This is not pure silver. Silver polish. 1130 dearies. 1130 for this piece. Good noon, Madhu. Suganta ma'am, thank you so much, Suganta ma'am. And this is a one more bigger size. That is a small one, and this is a big size ring. If you want big size, you can go for this. It's an awesome piece, ma'am. So 2270 for this. This is only only rose gold is available in this. So this is also very beautiful pattern. All items your face ki chala baga untundi. It's wonderful. Thank you, dear. So this is also very cute. Very beautiful rings, huh? Thank you. So this is only rose gold we have. Silver is sold out. Only rose gold I have. 2002. Shanti Devi ma'am, welcome. Good afternoon. 2270. It's all a weightless ma'am. Weight heavy illa parunga. Romba weightless da. It's not too heavy. This piece will be awesome ma'am. Don't miss this. It's all imported ones. 2270 for this piece. 2270. Take a screenshot and come to WhatsApp number. I'll show in the back camera also for you now. So with the stones you will be getting with this piece. Center line you will be getting single stones in this, and side part you will be getting with the marble finish, and back side you will be also getting the full view. You will be getting the design. See this piece. 2270 rupees for this dearies. Very beautiful. Meena, idhar to Meena. Earrings முடிஞ்சிச்சா? Earrings முடிஞ்சிச்சா?
Earring
So next I'm going to show some neck sets. It's a beautiful choker sets I'm going to show. Weightless dama. Swati, it's very weightless only. Don't worry about the weight and all. It's very weightless only. I'll show this piece at the back. I have shown you already. Now I'm going to show some neck sets for you. So that is also very beautiful piece, dearies. ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கு இந்த piece எல்லாமே. Lovely piece collections you will be getting in this. Hi Usha ma'am, welcome, good afternoon. So now I'm wearing a beautiful choker. It's a very beautiful round finish choker. This is for 1380 rupees for this choker, dearies. 1380 only for this piece. See this piece. Wow. Very unique and lovely combination. And this will be matching for all your saris and all, ma'am. Sumangali ma'am, how are you? After a long gap, you're joining me. What happened? So it's a beautiful piece, ma. This choker will be awesome. It will be suitable for all your outfit also. So you can wear it for saris, cotton. Hi Chitra ma'am, welcome. Enna Chitra ma'am announcement பண்றப்பல வரல. So last time இன்னொரு அனௌன்ஸ்மெண்ட்டையும் கொடுத்துடுறேன் நான். இன்னொரு தடவை நான் அந்த ரெண்டு அனௌன்ஸ்மெண்ட்டையும் சொல்லிடுறேன். So this is with the earrings. It's a beautiful earrings with a white, red and green stones in this. Superb piece. This is with the earrings 1380. 1380. This is red, green and white combination. I have full pearls also in that. So it's a beautiful pearl necklace. I have a pearl choker also in this. And one more, I have green also in that. So this is green. It's a beautiful green with white. Full green வேணா full green எடுத்துக்கலாம். இல்ல full pearls வேணா full pearls எடுத்துக்கலாம். Or green, red and white வேணா green, red and white எடுத்துக்கலாம். 1380 ma'am. 1380. Geeta Ganapati ma'am, welcome. Good afternoon. Thanks for joining. So super duper hit pieces ma'am. ரொம்ப ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கு இந்த pieces எல்லாமே ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கு. It's a gold polish only. You can wear for all your outfits. 3 colors available. இதுக்கும் மேம் earrings பாத்தீங்கன்னா for your jimki is also beautiful. Jimki is the set of my pendant ma'am. Ma'am Komala ma'am, this is the full set. If you want this, you can immediately WhatsApp ma'am. Only 5 pieces left out in this. So this is also very beautiful. This is for 1380. 1380 for this piece. This choker will be awesome, dearies. So 3 colors are very different and very unique. You can wear this for all your functions also. Simple function இருந்தாலும் போடலாம் இல்ல grand functionக்குமே நீங்க போட்டுக்கலாம். ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கும். It will be a subtle piece for you. And look also will be very elegant ma'am. ரொம்ப elegant-ஆ இருப்பீங்க போட்டா. And this is red with green and white. See this piece on it. Take a screenshot and come to the WhatsApp number. Or you can wear this like a necklace also. இந்த மாதிரி கூட நீங்க போட்டுக்கலாம். If you don't want like a choker, you can wear it this like. If you want with the back chain, we can fix with the back chain also for you. So next also very unique piece. This is a peacock with the Adigai pattern. And this is price for rupees 1840 rupees ma. 1840. 1840. This is also very unique pattern. Hi Kirtika. Welcome Kirtika. Welcome ma. Thanks for joining. So these all are only very nice. Thank you Sarita. Tanu, thank you so much for your beautiful lovely heartens ma. So this is also very awesome. 1840. 1840 dearies for this piece. Asha Rani ma'am, thank you so much. And this is with the earrings. You will be getting a small earrings in this. 1840. 1840 for this. 1840 for this. It's a beautiful piece with the gold chain at the sides and full of center. Thank you Manjula ma'am. And this is with campo and green color combination and golden ball hangings at the centers. See how beautiful it looks. Lovely dazzling combination, ma'am. Avlo alaga irukku. Beautiful. Finishing is also awesome with the gold finish. கோல்டுல எப்படி ஒரு பக்கா ஃபினிஷிங் பேக்ல கொடுத்திருப்பாங்களோ அதே மாதிரி தான் பேக் சைட்லயும் ஃபினிஷ் கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கு. Grab it soon, dearies. Only minimum stocks is available in this. Hi Karthika, welcome. This is for 1840 rupees. ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கேன்டா. Padmavati ma'am, welcome. See this piece. Lovely, and the kempu finishing will be awesome and the quality will be very beautiful in this now. ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கும். குவாலிட்டி பத்தி எதுவுமே வரி பண்ணிக்கவே வேண்டாம் இந்த மாதிரி ஐட்டம்ஸ்ல. ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கும். And next with the traditional video இப்ப வந்து ரொம்ப வைரலா இருக்கு Facebookல இதோட வீடியோ நான் போஸ்ட் பண்ணது. So only one piece we have in this now. So ஒரே ஒரு பீஸ் தான் இருக்கு. ஏன்னா நேத்துல இருந்து பயங்கரமான என்கொயரிஸ் இந்த பீஸுக்கு. யாருக்கு இந்த பீஸ் போகுதுன்னு தெரியல. It's so viral now. Only one piece. ஒரு 15 pieces sold ஆயிடுச்சு இப்ப அந்த வீடியோ போட்டதுல இருந்து. Only one piece we have. It's a very beautiful guntu பூசல் செட் மேம். அவ்வளோ அழகா இருக்கு இந்த செட். ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கு. இதோட இயரிங்ஸ்மே சூப்பர்பா இருக்கு. 2860. 2860 for this piece. So இது நீங்க நெக்லைன்ல போடணும்னா நெக்லைன்ல போட்டுக்கலாம், இல்ல நெக்லஸ் மாதிரி கூட வேர் பண்ணிக்கலாம். With the earrings it is very lovely. நான் இது அப்படியே full குண்டு பூசல் செட். இதுக்கு ஹாரம் வேணாலும் ஹாரம் மேட்ச் பண்ணி கொடுக்குறேன். We have the same piece in haram also. If you want in haram also, you can go with the haram with the same pattern earrings we have in that. So this is price for 2860. Only one piece left out. Whoever wants, who is lucky, I don't know. So immediately go to the WhatsApp number for all your bookings. I'll show in the back camera also. This is very unique, ma'am. நீங்க traditional sarees க்கு இந்த outfit ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கும். So your traditional outfit, it will be pakka matching for this. And the kempu will be awesome in this. Beautiful kempu. Back camera kaattunga. Super duper piece ma. 2860. 2860. Esthana. And next you have one Lakshmi Chandbali necklace. So this is also single piece we have. 3090 rupees ma. 3090. It's a very beautiful piece with a lovely collection at the sides and a Chandbali pattern necklace with a one single small Lakshmi at the bottom. You'll be getting full of Kempu stones. You'll be getting in this. So this is also very unique. So see this piece. This is a Chandbali pattern. You have a Chandbali earrings also for this. This is the earrings. 3090. This is also single piece we have now. Only single piece ma. It's very unique pattern. Don't miss this jewelry. It's a very awesome piece. Don't miss it, okay? Chandbali earrings will be very lovely piece. 3090. இங்கே வச்சிருங்க. அப்படியே கொடுத்துருங்க. ஆர்டர் எடுத்துக்குவாங்க. பேக் கேமரா காட்டுங்க மீனா. This is for 3090 ma. So it's a beautiful finishing. See the color and the workmanship and the stones quality will be awesome in this. See the yards. Chitti onchu sajna var solunga. Eduthrunga. So now I am coming with a very fantastic Chandbali earrings. So we have 3 designs in this. 3 designs mein avlo superb irukku. If you want separate Chandbali earrings, you can take this, okay? Hi Kasturi ma'am, Archana ma'am, hi, welcome. Amita, hi, welcome. Jay Shri ma'am, good afternoon. Thanks for joining. முடிஞ்சோன்னு ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணாங்க லோட் பண்ண அதில் ஆன் பண்ணி வை நான் முடிஞ்சோன்னு ஒரு சவுண்ட் இருக்கு. ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் அ வெரி பியூட்டிஃபுல் சான்பலி இயரிங்ஸ். தீஸ் ஆல் ஆர் வெயிட்லெஸ் இயரிங்ஸ் ஒன்லி மேம். உங்களுக்கு செப்பரேட்டா வேணா இந்த மாதிரி சான்பலி இயரிங்ஸ் எடுத்துக்கலாம். ஒன்லி ஃபார் 880 rupees ஃபார் திஸ் பீஸ். 880 880 ஃபார் திஸ் பீஸ் மா. ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கும் இந்த பீஸுமே. So see this piece. It's a weightless piece. It's a Chanbali earrings without any idols in this. No urvams in this, ma'am. It's a plain piece. And this is the Chanbali piece with red and green Kempu stones. Can you show long one in Guntu Pusula? ஆரம்ல இந்த குண்டு பூசல் ஒரு செட் இருக்கு, அதை எடுத்துக்கோங்க. இங்கே தான் இருக்கு. Yeah, Jayashree ma'am. One more time I will tell you at last, okay? Both the announcement I'll give you now. So this is a very beautiful piece. And this is for 880 rupees for this piece, ma'am. 880. 880 for this piece. 880. And one more Chanbali I have. So this is also very lovely and unique piece. This is with a peacock with full of bigger stones in this, with bigger balls also. 1020. I have two color combinations in this. Both the colors are very beautiful in this. I have green with white and full red also I have. Green with red and full red. எது அதில்ல இன்னும் இருக்கு. பாக்ஸ் அப்படியே வெளியில எடுங்க முதல்ல. அது பாருங்க மீனா அப்படியே. It's a very beautiful piece ma. It's a full red and this is green with red. This is 1020. 1020 for this piece. 1020. சிங்கிள் பீஸ் தான் இருக்கும் அதுல குண்டு பூசல்ல. அது கரெக்டாக அடுக்குன்றது திப்பி. Hi Vasantamma, welcome. Premalatha ma'am, hi, welcome. Good afternoon. So these are the Chanbali earrings. We have two types. Now I'm going with a very beautiful top style earrings. These all are lovely steps. இதோட price வந்து 820 rupees for this piece. 820. இதுமே ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கும். From the youngsters to elders, they can wear this. All age groups. Uma ma'am, welcome from Bangalore. What happened? Long time not joined live. So see this earrings. Very beautiful ma'am. ரொம்ப ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கு இந்த earrings. It's a tops, very beautiful tops. All age groups can wear this. Very lovely. 820 rupees for this piece. I'll show in the back camera. You can take a screenshot and come to the WhatsApp number. 820 ma. 820. This is also one pattern. On the same type, it's a clip type ma. We have clip type in this. This is also very beautiful. This is priced for rupees 420. 420 rupees for this piece. 420. 420. This is also with Kempu and pearls we get. And this is one more piece. This is also very beautiful tops with the Kempu and white stones. This is for 480. 480. 480 for this piece. We have three color combinations in this. One is green with red, one is red with white, and I have full red also. 3 colors are available. I'll wear this and show also. This is also very beautiful ma. இருக்கா மீனா? இருக்குப்பா, அங்கதான்ப்பா இருக்கு. அது இல்ல, ஃபுல் ஒயிட். அது ஃபர்ஸ்ட் உள்ள போடுங்க. ஒயிட் பீட்ஸோடவே இருக்கும். சோ விடுங்க, நான் அப்புறமா போட்டோ எடுத்து அனுப்பிச்சுக்கிறேன். விடுங்க, வேண்டாம். So this is also very awesome ma. Beautiful piece in this also. ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கும் இந்த இயரிங்ஸ். ரொம்ப வெயிட்லெஸ் தான், சூப்பர் பீஸ். பின்னி ஒழுங்கா அடுக்குன்னு பின்னாடி. So ஒவ்வொரு இயரிங்ஸ்மே அவ்வளோ சூப்பர்பா இருக்கு. இட்ஸ் a grand finish also. For these price, it's a very beautiful, unbeatable price I am giving these all. So finishing will be pakka and the quality will be awesome in this. And this is also available now. So only few more stocks left out. And this is for 400 rupees. And this is with green color stone inside with white and ruby color stones at the sides with a clip at the back side. Only 400 rupees. This is also very awesome. இதுமே ரொம்ப அழகான டாப்ஸ் தான் இருக்கு. With the clip you will be having this. I'll show in the back camera also. So this is also very beautiful. Only 400 rupees ma for this. 400 rupees for this piece. And one more small one. And this is priced for 220 rupees. 220 for this. Take a screenshot and come to the WhatsApp number immediately. All are lovely color combinations. Shobha from Kopal, welcome. New joining means you can follow my page. Veena from Tirupati, welcome Veena. Thanks for joining. So you can follow my page, dearies. So once more I'll reveal the announcements now. So lots of new joinees are here. I can reveal the announcement one. So one more happy announcement. Tomorrow is our 6th year anniversary. We are completing 6 years and we are stepping into the 7th year tomorrow. So support us. இதே மாதிரி support நாங்க இன்னுமே நாங்க உங்ககிட்ட ரொம்ப எதிர்பார்க்கிறோம். We are happily to stepping into the 7th year of GJ Creations tomorrow. Okay. So please join us with our celebration tomorrow for anniversary celebration at morning 11 o'clock, 11 a.m. sharply. So tomorrow we will be starting our celebration at 11 o'clock. Please do join us with the celebration tomorrow. And the second, one more announcement. Till now we are having only the payments of Google Pay, Phone Pay and Paytm and direct NEFT transfer only. Now we are launching our card payments also. You can pay through our debit card, credit card payments also. So this is our 2 announcement today. So we are happy to announce this payment options for you. So நிறைய பேர் வந்து ரொம்ப நாளா கேட்டுட்டு இருந்தது என்னன்னா எங்களுக்கு கிரெடிட் கார்டு பேமெண்ட்ஸ் கொஞ்சம் எங்களுக்கு அலோவ் பண்ணுங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஆஃப்டர் a long struggle we are launching our payments also. So நீங்க இதுல கூட நீங்க பே பண்ணலாம். உங்களுக்கு டெபிட் கார்டு கிரெடிட் கார்டு நம்பர்ஸ் போட்டு கூட நீங்க பேமெண்ட் போட்டுக்கலாம். So we are now too happy to announce these 2 announcement for today. So tomorrow stay tuned at 11 a.m. sharply. Okay. So now I'm going to show some designer studs. These all are very unique. Only single piece we have in these all studs. All are beautiful studs. Don't miss it. So we are going to show you lovely collections. This is very unique with a glassy finish. I received big pendant. I wear Sunday. One of my friend reception function. There my pendant only a big highlight, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you so much, dear Prasanna Lakshmi. Welcome. Thank you, ma'am. I am Vanitha. Welcome, Vanitha. Where are you from? So you please அதுமே எனக்கு சொல்லிடுங்க எங்க இருந்து நீங்க வரீங்க ஜாயின் பண்ணிருக்கீங்கன்னு சொல்லிடுங்க ஓகேங்களா. So please follow my page also, GJ Creations page in Facebook, Instagram and YouTube. All the 3 platforms we have our page in the same name, GJ Creations. You can join with us. So this is a very beautiful glass metal finish. It's a beautiful AD zircon stones. Inside, in the inside part you will be getting with the blue stones. Romba different unique இருக்கும். One is with the black color stone and one is with blue color stone we have. Only 2 colors we have in this. This is very beautiful and this is priced for 1830 rupees, ma'am. 1830. It's a very pakka finishing. I'll wear and show this piece. See how it looks on the saree also. சாரீஸ்க்குமே இது நல்லா இருக்கும். இல்ல ஃப்ராக்ஸ் கூட நீங்க போடலாம். ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கும். ஃப்ராக்ஸ், லெஹங்காஸ், குர்த்திஸ், டாப்ஸ்க்கு எல்லாத்துக்குமே போடலாம் இது. Fancy wear it is will be very lovely for this. 1830 for this piece, ma. Only 2 colors left. 2 colors are available now. All are single pieces, ma. Single pieces. See this piece. Fantastic piece, ma. Lovely. Don't miss this. Thank you, Premalata ma'am. Thank you so much. I'll show in the back camera also. You can take a screenshot, dearies. See this piece. Hi, Shubha. Welcome. 1830, ma. Sorry. 1830 rupees for this piece. 2 colors available. And we have one more very beautiful glittery earrings. So this is with the pastel green. 720. Prasunna, welcome. Thank you, dear. Thanks for joining. 720 rupees, ma. 720. 720 for this. Hi, Mitapalli Swati. Thank you, Madhu. I'm joining now only. Okay, Prasunna. So this is mint green. This is for 720 rupees. Yeah, only single pieces, Suguna ma'am. So sorry to announce this. Only single pieces I have. 720 for this. I don't have multiples in this, dearies. So this is a very beautiful bottle green. This is for 2000 rupees, ma'am. This is for 2000 rupees. So long frocks kella idu pota romba alaga irukku. This is a clip type earrings. This is 2000 rupees for this piece. Long haram, we have lots of collections, Mallika ma'am. You please WhatsApp to my number. I'll send the link also. You can go through the link for the haram collections. Wow, this is a very beautiful painted collections, ma'am. Rumba Ayahana painted collections with beautiful baby pink beads also in the hangings. It's a Chandbali pattern. This is also lovely. 1230. 1230. All are single pieces, dearies. Only single now. 1230 rupees for this piece. I'll post all these earrings also, ma. Elame post panna solunga. Onnu kuda miss panna venda. Alaga irukku. Collections nalla irukku. This is for 680, ma. This is also self hand painted one with the kundans. It's a kundan earring, 680 rupees. This is also single piece available. All are singles only. 680 rupees for this piece. And this is a very beautiful trendy one. It's a long earrings, beautiful 820. 820 rupees, and this is the backside view of the earrings. 820 rupees only. $820 for this. It's a very beautiful shaky earrings also. You can wear for all your kurtis and all, ma'am. Kurtis ku pota romba alaga irukku. 820. Only single pieces, dearies. Only one piece in each color I have. And this is a half ring type earrings. This is a J type earrings. This is for 810 rupees. 810 with a Victorian polish. 810. And next comes with the semi half ring with the clip at the back side. You also will be getting the clip at the back side. This is for 700 rupees, ma. Only 700 rupees for this piece. 700 rupees varudha. And this is a tricolor earrings. You will be getting 3 colors with rhodium, rose gold, gold. 3 color polish you will be getting in this. 1230 rupees. 1230, ma'am. Ma'am, இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு சூப்பர்வான இயரிங்ஸ் கலெக்ஷன் எங்கேயுமே பார்த்திருக்க முடியாது மேடம். நீங்க அவ்வளோ டிசைனர் பீசஸா கொடுத்துட்டு இருக்கேன் ஒவ்வொன்றுமே உங்களுக்கு. 1230 for this piece. So this is also very lovely. Beautiful white color. It's a ball type earrings. This is for 550, ma'am. Only 550 rupees. It's a super duper piece. 550. It's very budget friendly also. Grab it your soon, dearies. 550. 550. So single pieces irukkarnalda inda price ku kudukka mudiyudhu. So this is also very beautiful. Front side you will be getting small ball. At the back side you will be getting a bigger ball. This is price for 1050 rupees. 1050. It's full of honey color stones at the full round you will be getting. 1050 for this piece. 1050 rupees. And this is also rose gold earrings. It's a bigger one with a bottle green color stones with rose gold polish. 1630. 1630. It's a rose gold earrings, ma'am. Beautiful rose gold earrings. 1630. It's awesome. I'll wear and show this piece also. You can go through this piece. So this is very beautiful, ma'am. அவ்வளோ அழகா இருக்கும் இது போட்டீங்கன்னா சூப்பர்பா இருக்கும் இது பீஸ். Wow. It's a very different one, ma'am. It's a bottle green. 1630 rupees for this piece. 1630. It's a bottle green. Notification is not coming nowadays. You please unfollow my page and you can again follow the page, Neeraja. You will be getting the notifications. So you please like my each and every postings also. You will be getting the notifications, dearies, I think so. Okay. So next comes with the Ayahana Chandbali. It's a beautiful Chandbali with the rhodium zircon stones. It's a blue color, green color stones also. This is priced for 1330. 1330 for this piece. 1330. 1330 rupees, ma. It's a very beautiful Chandbali pattern. Hi Lakshmi. Okay, Neeraja. Thank you. It's a very beautiful Chandbali pattern. 1330 rupees, ma. 1330. All are singles only. Only single earrings I am showing now. So last but not the least for the live now, it's a golden finish and gold polish earrings. See this also. This is also a Chandbali pattern. And this is priced for rupees 800 rupees, ma. Only 800 rupees for this piece. This is also very beautiful gold color polish with green and white stones. Okay. So that's it. We have come to an end of the live. Very beautiful live it was and a beautiful conversation between our customers and me too. So lovely. I enjoyed a lot for the live today. ரொம்ப அழகான கலெக்ஷன்ஸும் காமிச்சிருக்கேன். ரொம்ப திருப்தியா இருந்துச்சு நீங்க அழகான கலெக்ஷன்ஸ் காமிச்சிருக்கோன்னு சொல்லிட்டு. So tomorrow I'll join you again. Stay tuned. Tomorrow morning 11 a.m. with a grand celebration and beautiful collections also tomorrow. Okay. So surprise also there will be tomorrow. So stay tuned. Bye bye. Signing off. This is Lekha Morgan from GJ Creations. See you all tomorrow at 11 a.m. Ball earrings open. Danu, please come to my WhatsApp, okay? Bye-bye. Thank you so much. Thank you all. I'll join you tomorrow at 11 a.m. tomorrow live with the beautiful exclusive collections. Bye-bye.